Hello, this is a medium-height food dehydrator created by IKE Group. It's suitable for drying various materials like fruits, vegetables, meat, nuts, seafood, etc. The whole machine is made by stainless steel, which is durable and easy to clean. Next, I will tell you 3 reasons why you should choose WRH-300GB. Reason 1. All-in-one design. No need to be installed by customer, just connect the power supply to use. Reason 2. Large capacity reaches 200 to 350 kilograms per patch with 40 pieces of trays. Stainless steel trays and flatnet trays can be used by these tray racks, which suitable for some customers has a limited space in their workshop. Reason 3. Strong para-hot air comes from air duct from left to right in the chamber. Materials will be dehydrated in a gentle but efficient manner. There is a seal under the machine for better sealing. We also have many models with different capacity for your choice. So for more details, you are welcome to check our website www.ike.cn. Thank you.